Hi, this is Susie. Today we're going to be talking about the peace lily. I've had this for several years. I used to have it in water. About a year ago I put it in a pot with dirt and it started growing more. Peace lilies are one of the most common house plants because they're easy to grow and beautiful too. Peace lilies are tropical evergreen plants. With enough light, peace lilies may produce white to off-white flowers in early summer and continue to bloom throughout the year. I also have a picture of what it looks like, the flower. It's almost shaped like a leaf. Use a well-draining all-purpose potting soil. Repotting annually in the spring is good for the peace lily, as the plant will appreciate the refreshed soil. Eventually, the peace lily may grow too large for its pot, at which point it can be removed and divided the plant from its pot and split into smaller plants, being sure to leave several leaves per clump. The peace lily is pretty tough, so it can tolerate a bit of tough treatment during dividing. Peace lilies can be grown in water. They are sometimes sold in vases without any soil. The base of the plant should be suspended above the water line. Put a layer of small stones. This allows the roots to grow in the water but keeps the base of the plant and leaves from being constantly wet, which can cause root rot. How to care for the peace lily. Keep the soil moist, but do not overwater. Peace lilies can tolerate short periods of dry soil, but their leaves will start to brown if neglected for too long. Peace lilies enjoy high humidity. Misting their leaves or placing their pot atop a moistened tray of gravel can help to increase humidity, which I have just done. Put some rocks in there and a little bit of water to help with the humidity. Peace lilies are a tropical plant, so keep them in temperatures above 60 and away from cold, drafty windows. They do best in temperatures upwards of 70. Keep those plants out of direct afternoon sunlight, but in a well-lit area. An east-facing window is ideal, as they will be exposed to the warmth of the morning sun, but avoid intensity of midday rays. Most often, if no flowers are appearing, the plant is not getting enough light. Peace lilies are very tolerant of low light, but low light does not mean no light. To encourage flowering, move the plant to a brighter location where it will receive bright indirect light. Yellow leaves may be caused by overwatering, underwatering, or old age of the leaf. Also, in NASA studies, it was discovered that peace lilies can help improve air quality, removing formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the surrounding air. The peace lily is said to have gotten its common name from its white flowers, which rise timidly above its green foliage and resemble small white flowers of peace. I was thinking of getting more of these or divide this one because it looks like there's two in there. I might divide it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. This is Susie. Bye-bye for now.